Before installation, make sure your Ecosure Double IBC Bund is situated on a flat level base. Using the self-tapping screws provided, attach the 4 vertical supports to the 4 corners of the IBC bund. Loosen the threaded tightening bolts on the angle brackets with a 6mm hex key. Slide these on top of the vertical supports. Push the long support bars into the angle brackets. Push the short support bars into the angle brackets and secure with the tightening bolts. Attach the roof supports between the 2 long support bars, ensuring the widest part is towards the front. It is best to fit the PVC cover from back to front, ensuring it covers all 4 corners of the frame. You may require 2 or more people to do this. Secure the cover using the Velcro tabs attached. The zip-down doors provide easy access to your IBC containers. These doors are secured by easy release plastic buckle clips.